Hello students, this is the sixth part of our second semester's first one-act play Riders to the Sea, which is written by J.M. Sinch. So open page number 122. On this page number, first line, first dialogue. Now first dialogue is of Nora. Looking out. She is passing the green head and letting fall her shade. Now sail, it means sheet of canvas hung from the mast which catch the wind and move a ship forward. So Nora said that she, it means their mother, Moria, she letting fall her sail, that canvas, because the wind struck that canvas and with the speed of wind that boat or ship moves forward. So that canvas, that cloth, hard cloth, rough cloth is called sail. Bartley getting his purse and tobacco. So there was a small pocket Bartley was having, and in that pocket, in that purse, he was having his tobacco. So he take out that. I shall have half an hour to go down, and you will see me coming again in 2 days or in 3 days or maybe in 4 days if the wind is bad. So Bartley says that I will take half an hour to go down. It means downside, and in returning I will take 2, 3 or 4 days according to the bad weather. If the weather is okay, then I will come back in 2 days. If the weather is bad, wind is very strong, then I will take maybe 4 days. Then Moria, his mother, turning round to the fire and putting her shawl over her head. Now, what is Moria doing there? That instruction is given in that bracket, turning round the fire. It means she turned toward the fire and take her shawl over her head. Isn't it a hard and cruel man won't hear a word from old woman, and she holding him from the sea? So Moria says that this person, this my boy, Bartley is very cruel, because he is not listening a single word of an old woman. That woman is trying to tell him don't go into the sea because the weather is very bad, but he is not ready to listen. Then Kathleen, it's the life of a young man to be going to the sea. Kathleen says to his mother that mom, it is the life of young people, young man in this area to go into the sea in search of job, in search of a business, or in search of a new opportunity to new land. And who would listen to an old woman with one thing and she saying it over? And you are kind of lady, no one will listen you, because you are saying that in this storm, in this bad weather, everything is going to destroy. So who will listen you? This kind of bad weather we have seen more, much more in the past also. Then Bartley, taking the halter. Halter, it means, in the last part I have given you meaning of this word, again I will give you. Rope used to lead horses or a horse. Taking the halter. After that, Bartley took that halter, that rope which he used to lead his horse. I must go now quickly. I shall write down on the red mare. Mare, it means female horse. Then Bartley says that I have to go quickly and I will go with the mare, which mare I am having, that is the red mare, female horse. And the grey ponies. Pony it means young horse. The grey pony will run behind me, and when I will ride that mare, red mare, so the young pony, young horse of that mare will follow her behind her. The blessing of God on you, he goes out. And finally he says, the blessing of God on you. It means I am going. So God will save all of you in this bad weather. And he goes out. Moria, crying out as he is in the door. So as he steps his foot into the door that time, Moria, his mother, cried out loudly, he's gone now. God spare us. Spare it means save. So she said that he is gone now, so God will only save us and we shall not see him again, and we are not going to see him again because the weather is very bad and he is going into the sea in that bad weather, so definitely he will die into that sea. He is gone now, and when the black night is falling, I shall have no sun left in the world. So he had gone now. In that blackest night, weather is very bad. So in the future, I won't have any sun because my son is going to die into that sea water. Then Kathleen, why couldn't you give him your blessing? And he looking round in the door. So Kathleen said to his mother, that why are you using so bad word? Why didn't you give your blessing to him? And when he was looking back from that door, so that time you needed to bless him, that God will bless you, you written quickly. Isn't it sorrow enough in one is on everyone in this house without your sending him out with an unlucky word behind him and a hard word in his ear? So it was very sad that you only use very sad word, bad word, and those words continuously will run in his ears, and with those words he left this house and went on to his journey. So that is very bad, sorrowful. Moria takes up the tongue, begin racking the fire. Rack it means shake or move back or forth. Then finally Moria takes her tongue up and she stopped talking. After that, racking the fire endlessly without looking round. So she just racking, it means moving that fire here and there from this side to that side without any aim. She was not looking at anything, she was not looking anywhere, she was just aimlessly racking that, moving here and there. After that, Nora sang turning towards her. You are taking away the turf from the cake. Turf it means dried grass. In the last part, I have given you meaning of this word. So Nora finally goes towards her mother Moria and said, Mom, you are taking that dry grass from the cake. Kathleen crying out. So Kathleen that time cry out loudly, the Son of God forgive us, Nora. We are after forgotten his bite of bread. She comes over to the fire. So when Kathleen saw that a piece of bread that was kept for Bartley, but Bartley without eating that bite of cake, he left the house and went on his journey. After watching that, Kathleen cried out loudly, Nora, and it's destroyed. Destroyed it means harm. In this case, from hunger. And it's destroyed, he will be going till dark night, and he after eating nothing since the sun went up. So Nora said that he is hungry. He didn't have anything in his stomach. He haven't ate anything, and he had gone into that journey, and he will remain hungry till the whole night until the sun will come up there. So it is very harmful for him. So students, in this way, this part ends here. We are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.